Good morning guys, and welcome to the 4th day of Vlogmas. So today I am just going to be doing a lot of errands around the house. I need to organize my closet because it is gone completely out of hand at this point, and I want to reconsolidate, put some of my stuff on Poshmark that I'm not really going to be using a lot, and then also figure out a better system to organize my stuff, because last year I got my closet done with IKEA and I think they did such a wonderful job with it, but I want to make sure that I'm using it in the best way possible. As I get older, I just want less and less stuff, so I want to control what's going on in my closet because right now it is a total mess. I need to show you guys how I decorated my tree. I did this 2 weeks ago, so I'm going to insert the footage and then also show you all the ornaments I got in case you're still looking for some. I got a new tree. My friend Shelby had it on her Instagram and I immediately wanted it because it's 7.5 feet tall, it's pre-lit, and it has like snowy leaves. My previous one is just like a green tree, but I got this one, the one that I just bought from Walmart, for I think $170, which I thought was a really good deal. And then today I went to Target and I got some decorations, so I wanted to show you guys and then decorate the tree and yeah, make it a festive time in here. So I wasn't sure what kind of ornaments I wanted, but I picked these ones up from Target. These are bronze and gold and copper and silver, which I think would look so nice up against the backdrop of my home, but I also wanted to test out silver ones just to see. I wanted to bring them into my home just to kind of get an idea of what it would look like and then which ones I would use. And then I got some cute specialty ones in here. Let me show you. I got a nutcracker. Very cute. So this is the little polar bear and it says 2019 on it. And this coffee mug was so cute. It's like, let's stay home, because that's something I always tell Rami in the holiday time. I love being at home, just being cozy. A little car, little post box that says Santa mail on it. So cute. And then this was like a set of 3 little stars, which I thought was really cute as well. And I think they would look really good against the gold and silver. I'm not very sure about the bronze just yet. I got pins for the ornaments. Did I get anything else? I think there's one more thing in here. Oh yeah, this little Santa. So cute. So my plan is to get rid of a lot of my clothing. Honestly, I don't even wear these clothes. Look at this mess behind me. It is unreal what I've done to my closet for the past 2 weeks, and I really desperately need to fix it. So let me give you guys a quick tour and then we'll go through everything and sort it out. All my bags are on top, which are fine and organized, but I've literally been throwing everything on top. My jewelry drawers are unorganized. There are clothes and shoes everywhere. I am trying to get rid of a lot of these dresses because I do not wear them. Same with these tops. Again, so much stuff everywhere. And then these are all my shoes over here. I also have shoes along this door and then more pants, etc. and I honestly don't think that that is the best way to organize all the bottoms that I have, so I'm gonna have to figure out another way to do it. And there is stuff everywhere on the floor as well. Here is a better view of what I'm talking about, because I honestly don't even know what's in here. Everything is one on top of the other and it's driving me crazy. Samples, etc. I just need to get rid of. So yeah, this needs to be fixed ASAP. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is probably just go through my dresses and not worry about this mess right now, because I just need to see what all is in here and what I can get rid of, because there's just too much clutter happening. My rule of thumb now is, obviously I'm Marie Kondoing my closet. If it doesn't give me any joy, I'm throwing it away or putting it on my Poshmark listing, because there's still like items that are gently used and sometimes even worn once. So I'm gonna start off with whites. I guess whites are such a basic that it's good to have them in your closet, you know, so I am gonna keep a lot of whites. This I have never worn once. I don't even know where I would wear this. No, I don't know if I should keep it or not. Okay, I'm gonna think about this one. This needs to go. I love it. It's a beautiful color and probably worn it once, but it's just not my style anymore. Put it in the Poshmark pile. This was my first ever piece that I got from Revolve when I started working with them. It's definitely sentimental, but I think it's time for it to be added to Poshmark and let somebody else enjoy it, because this is most definitely not my style anymore. I should really not keep this. I mean, I don't know when I would ever wear this. I've literally kept it for years and years and years, and I don't remember the last time I wore it, so I'm gonna bite the bullet and say goodbye to this. Humphrey is barking at Rami coming home. He's very excited that his papa's home. I mean, I don't know. A lot of these things I'm not gonna keep, but I'm having like some serious trouble getting rid of all of them. I don't know when I would ever wear this, so bye-bye dress. A wedding dress that I will probably never wear again. That is an entire mountain of stuff that I was able to clean out from my closet. I don't even know how I took out this much stuff and the closet still looks so full. And then over here is a lot of beauty stuff that I need to sort through. Up here is some beauty stuff that I need to sort through for giveaways for Vlogmas. So I'm very excited to do that. My new assistant is coming, so she'll be able to help me tomorrow. All of these hangers are free. Makes me so happy. Here is the finished product. I'm so happy that I was able to make room for all my shoes. So now all my boots and heavy winter stuff is on the bottom there, and like chunkier stuff. I was even able to fit my knee-length boots in this drawer vertically, which is so nice because I was just able to create that much space. So now they were, remember, they were in their corner there, and now they're right in there, tucked away very nicely. And I'm going to continue to keep downsizing as I get more clothes because I feel really overwhelmed when there's so many things everywhere, and I'm very happy with what I've done so far. My bag situation I definitely need to fix because I don't think this is the right use of space. Like, I'm wasting so much space up there. So I am definitely working on doing something with the bags. And then in here I was able to organize all my jeans properly, throw out some stuff that I wasn't using, which is so nice. And then over here, I think you guys remember my pants and my skirts were hanging there. This is all of my beauty stuff that I need to go through. And then again, the bag situation I just need to fix because it doesn't look nice. But in here I was able to fit in all my pants and skirts, which is good because now it's saving so much space. And I'm probably just gonna get rid of this because I don't really need it, and I was making everything look super messy. And then I was also able to consolidate all of my hats into this drawer, and then all my bags that are not designer are in here. So I'm going to end this vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I always like watching other people's organization videos to see how they're doing everything. And then also, now that I have time in December, I'm going to go to IKEA, figure out some other solutions of fixing the bag situation, and then also trying to create a little bit more space in this closet so not everything is super cramped. I will see you very soon. Bye!